think I got it. Today, we're making something that's perfect for summer. I'm Tom, this is Dude's Gourmet, and today, we're making seared blackened tuna with mango salsa. And we're gonna shake our dudes right on top of it. Oh, I needed that. All right, guys, we have our tuna block right over here. We're gonna shake our Dude's blackened seasoning on both sides. Now you wanna make sure your pan is super hot. This is smoking, means it's ready to go. I have this awesome evvo basil olive oil I'm gonna throw in right now. Just a little bit. All right, here we go, guys. This is quick. This is only 20 seconds each side. We want it to be pink in the middle. That's exactly what we want right there. All right, now on the sides, we only want 10 seconds each side. All right, that's done. We're gonna let that rest right there. Now it's time to make our salsa. We have a small amount of red onion right here, some tomatoes, some mangoes, some fresh basil, some bean sprouts, the juice of 1 lime, about 3 ounces of soy sauce, and some more of our evvo basil olive oil. Just about 1 ounce. Now you're just gonna give this a mix. Looks beautiful. Now let's see what our tuna looks like. Ooh, yeah. That looks fantastic. Tastes good too. All right. So now how we're gonna plate it, very easily. This is just some store-bought wasabi cream. Make a little bit of a crust like this. We're just gonna fan it out nice and even. Then you have your mango salsa right over here. And then this dish would not be complete without our Tasman Sea Salt. Just give it a nice sprinkle on top. Oh, how awesome does that look? There you go, guys. We can make this look better. There you go. Sorry, take 2. There's seared blackened tuna with mango salsa. Let's see if I still know how to use these chopsticks. Nope, no good. No bueno. No, oh, there we go. All right, let's see. Whoop. All right. Yeah, that is delicious. It's great. It's like a nice, light, summery dish. It's good. If you're outside by the pool, you break this out for some friends. Oh man, look at that. That stuff is good. Tasman Sea Salt, available on my website, dudesgourmet.com. Blackened seasoning, available on my website, dudesgourmet.com. Don't forget, I have my signature bundle available on sale on my website right now, dudesgourmet.com. You get all 6 of my signature seasonings. It's got signature salmon, signature pork, signature steak, signature chicken. I'm missing 2 more. The Pitmaster, there's one other one, I just forgot it. Big shout out to Joey Sick. He made the soundtrack that's playing in the background. Check him out on all platforms. I'll have a link in my description below and where you can find him. Sick DJ, you're having a party, hit him up. Good family friend of mine. He will love this.